Hi. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly deploy your own security monitoring platform based on Wazuh on a HOSTKEY server. We'll go through the full process, from ordering a VPS in the control panel to logging into the Wazuh Dashboard for the first time and installing your first monitoring agent. Let's get started. To order a new server, open the control panel at invapi.hostkey.com, sign in, go to the New Instant Servers tab, choose a region, and open the Virtual Servers tab. Wazuh can run on a minimal configuration. In this example, we use 2 vCPU and 4 GB of RAM. Next, open the Software tab, go to the Security section, and select Wazuh. Optionally, in the Automation tab, you can set a server name and a password. After that, choose your billing period. Discounts may apply depending on the rental term. 1 month is enough for our example. Click Order. After payment, you'll receive an email notification when the server is ready. Installing Wazuh together with the operating system typically takes 30 to 60 minutes. The deployment email will include the server IP address, login, and password. Once the server is ready, open the server card. Here, you can find the link to the Wazuh web panel, and in the Network tab, you can find the server IP address. The first step is to connect to the server via SSH and retrieve the credentials for logging into the Wazuh dashboard. Copy the server IP address and connect using any terminal. In our example, we use conemu. Run SSH root your server IP, confirm that you trust the server, and enter the password from the deployment email. You're now connected. To get the username and password for the Wazuh web panel, run cat opt wazuh password, press enter. The output will show the username and password. Copy them. Open the Wazuh web panel in your browser, enter the credentials, and click Login. After a successful login, you'll land on the Wazuh dashboard home screen. It shows a high-level view of your infrastructure's security status. On the first login, the system may indicate that agents have not been registered yet. Let's briefly review the main Wazuh modules: Endpoint Security, Configuration Assessment, Malware Detection, and File Integrity Monitoring; Threat Intelligence, Tools for Threat Analysis and Vulnerability Detection; Security Operations, Compliance Monitoring for various standards and frameworks; Cloud Security, monitoring for Docker, AWS, Google Cloud, and Office 365. Now let's deploy the first monitoring agent. Click Deploy New Agent to open the Agent Creation Wizard. An agent is a component installed on a target machine that collects security data and sends it to the Wazuh server for analysis. In the wizard, select the installation package type based on the target OS and CPU architecture: DEB for Debian and Ubuntu, RPM for CentOS, RRHEL, Fedora, MSI for Windows, and separate options for Mac OS, Intel, and Apple Silicon. AMD 64 is standard Intel AMD servers. ARM64 is ARM-based servers. In our example, the target server runs Ubuntu, so we select DEB AMD 64. In the server address field, enter the IP address of your Wazuh server. In agent name, set any name you like. Then copy the installation command and run it on the target machine you want to monitor. The agent will be downloaded and installed. After that, run the additional commands shown below, also on the target machine. Return to the Wazuh dashboard and you'll see the agent listed in Agent Summary with the status active. Wazuh helps you centralize security monitoring, collect events, track endpoint health, detect vulnerabilities, and respond to incidents faster. And running it on HOSTKEY is convenient because Wazuh is available as a ready-to-deploy app when you order a server, no manual installation. HOSTKEY provides provider-side DDoS protection to help keep services available. 24/7 support is there when you need help with infrastructure-related issues. HOSTKEY, your infrastructure, your rules. The link is in the description.